In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Foxit PDF Editor. If you're looking to remove Foxit PDF Editor from your Windows computer, this walkthrough will guide you clearly through the process using the built-in control panel. Before you begin, it's a good idea to save any work and close Foxit if it's currently open. This helps the uninstaller run smoothly and prevents conflicts while files are being removed. Start by opening the control panel. You can do this by searching for Control Panel from the Start menu and opening it from the results. Once it's open, look for the section related to software removal. Depending on how your control panel is organized, you'll either select Programs and Features, or you'll click on the link that says Uninstall a program under the Programs category. Both options take you to the same place where all installed desktop programs are listed. When the list appears, take a moment to find Foxit PDF Editor. The list can be long, so using the search box in the top right corner or sorting by name can make it faster to locate. Be sure you've selected the correct entry, which may include the edition name or version number. If you've had Foxit installed for a while, you might also notice related components. Focus on the main Foxit PDF Editor entry here. With Foxit PDF Editor highlighted, click the Uninstall or Uninstall Change button near the top of the window. Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to make changes to your device. Choose Yes to continue. The Foxit uninstaller will open and guide you through the process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may be asked whether you want to remove user settings or keep them for a future reinstall. Choose the option that best fits your needs, then proceed. The uninstaller will show progress as it removes files and updates your system. This can take a few moments, so let it complete without interrupting the process. When the uninstallation finishes, you might be prompted to restart your computer to finalize the removal. If you see that prompt, save any open work in other programs and restart when ready. After the restart, return to the Programs and Features window to confirm Foxit PDF Editor no longer appears in the list. You can also check the Start menu to ensure the application shortcuts are gone. From here, your PDFs will open with your system's default viewer unless you choose another one later. That's it. You've successfully uninstalled Foxit PDF Editor using Control Panel. If this video helped, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to remove a desktop application safely and cleanly.